Hello guys, so I've just received a notification that an update is available for the Note 9. I'm currently checking on it, and it shows here that it is the much awaited update for Android Pie. So this update has been a long time coming. It was supposed to be on February, but now it was released here in the Philippines on Sunday, March 3. So the notification appeared on my notification bar, and when I tried to update earlier and pause it so that I can record the information about this. So this was supposed to be on January 2019, but it just updated here on the phone on March 3. So it's 400 Pi, as you can see, and it brings all the new customizations that Android Pie offers on the Note 9. So I'll be scrolling down so that you can read the information. It features new designs, so the Samsung keyboard, Samsung DeX, Bixby. There's the much hated Bixby. There's a lot of features actually. So you can learn more about this update on the link at the bottom of the documentation. Let's try to download the update now. So the update is actually 6 minutes long. Let me try to pause the video recording and unpause it once the update is finished. Alright, so after doing the first update that came up on the notifications bar, again I'm prompted with another one. So let's see. Okay, here it is. So this is for February. Okay, so it's just a minor update. It's only 100 MB. So let's try to download this and see what happens. Okay, so you can see the details here. Let's try to check. Okay, so the UI has changed. So about phone. Okay, so it's running Android version 9. That's for Pi. Okay, let's try to check if it has finished downloading. Alright, so once it's done, you have an option to schedule install or install now. So let's try to install now. I'm going to pause the video again, and let's see what happens afterwards. Alright, so I've done finishing the second update. So it's also prompting now that it's finishing the system update. So the first update took around 30 to 40 minutes to finish, and the second one took around a good 10 to 15 minutes. So make sure that before doing any of this or downloading any updates, you have enough juice on your battery, because unlike previous Samsung phones, it allows you to update the phone without even plugging it on the charger. So if you don't want to brick your phone, or if you don't want to encounter any problems using your phone, just make sure that you have enough power on your battery to do the updates. So I'm going to switch themes right now because I'm using a custom theme, and let's see what brings on the new update. So let me find out one here. Let me pause the video now and switch themes. Alright, so after having a hard time finding the icon for the Galaxy themes, I finally found it here. So I've changed to the default Galaxy theme option, and as you can see, the UI has changed. I've not, I don't have any apps installed that much, so let me see. It shows that it's lagging a bit, even though the animation scaling is turned off under the developer option. Let's try to check the camera. Okay, so the UI of the camera has also changed. What's this? Okay, so that's it. That's pretty much it. So all you need to do is update your phone. Just make sure that there is enough battery to be able to power the update. Thank you.